High up on a quiet tree branch, a small and gentle bird sat peacefully as the sun began to set.
What will I eat tomorrow?
The night slowly arrived. The
little bird remembered Allah and felt calm and safe in its heart. Trusting Allah completely, the little bird fell into a peaceful sleep. When morning came, warm sunlight touched her legs. The bird flew into the fresh morning air, calm and hopeful. On the ground below, food was already waiting. Allah had provided.
The bird ate happily and felt thankful to Allah.
Little bird learned a beautiful lesson. Allah always takes care of those who trust Him.